Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to add text to your video in CapCut. Let's open our app, and as you can see I have a project ready here. Now on the bottom you will see various options. Among them, select text and tap on add text. Here you can write anything you want and then drop the keyboard. You can select fonts here. You can change it to any font you like. You can stylize your text, change color, change size. Opacity is how visible your text is. You can also give effect to your text like this glitch effect. Also, you can animate all your text, though some of the options are in Pro, as you've noticed in all of the options here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.